Here's the Apple Watch Series 11. I'm going to show you two ways how you can factory reset this. Okay, so one way you can factory reset through the Apple Watch app. The other way is directly on the watch. Let me first show you how to do it from the app. So go to the Apple Watch app, and then from here you want to scroll down and go to General, and then we're going to scroll down here and we're going to go to Reset at the very bottom. And now right here, erase all watch content and settings. You can tap on that. This will delete all media and data and reset all settings on your Apple Watch. You want to continue, you go right there. If you want to do it just on your watch here, just go to your settings. And then from here, we're going to go to General. And let's scroll down. Reset, second to the bottom. And it says erase all content and settings. Let's go for it. Let's tap that right there. Let me enter my passcode. Okay, go ahead and read through that. All media data and settings will be erased. This cannot be undone. Are you sure you want to continue? Let's tap back on here. Let me just slide up. And down here it says erase all. Let's do it. Erase all. And now we're just going to have to be patient. And I just looked at the Apple Watch app. You can see it's already unpairing on here as well from the Apple Watch software. Still waiting. Now it's getting a little progress bar. And the Apple Watch app is already done. We're just waiting for this. Hey, it's booting up. It's going to be here for a while again. We get another progress bar. You can see it right there. And voila. Factory reset is done. Now I can start fresh again, or I can sell it.